Today, we're diving into the DJI Neo 3 battery combo. This compact yet powerful drone is packed with features that make it a must-have for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Let's see what's inside the box. We have the DJI Neo 3. 3 batteries for extended flight time, a controller, and a few other accessories. The setup is pretty straightforward. Just charge the batteries, download the DJI Fly app, and pair your drone with your smartphone. Key features. Visual. One of the standout features of the Neo 3 is its palm takeoff and landing. Just hold it out and it takes off automatically. It's incredibly convenient and makes flying a breeze. The 4K UHD camera captures stunningly detailed footage. With features like quick shots, you can create cinematic shots with just a few taps on your phone. The AI subject tracking is impressive. The drone locks onto your subject and follows them seamlessly, even when they're moving quickly. The stabilized video ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions. Flight test. Let's take this drone for a spin. The flight performance is excellent. It's incredibly stable and responsive, making it easy to maneuver. The battery life is also impressive, allowing for plenty of flight time. Pros: compact and portable. Its small size makes it easy to carry and fly almost anywhere. Palm takeoff and landing. This feature simplifies the flying process, especially for beginners. 4K UHD camera captures high-quality video and photos. AI subject tracking allows the drone to follow your subject automatically. Quick shots provides pre-programmed flight paths for cinematic shots. Stabilized video ensures smooth footage, even in windy conditions. 3 battery combo offers extended flight time. Cons: limited range. The range might be shorter compared to larger drones. No obstacle avoidance. The drone doesn't have sensors to detect and avoid obstacles. Controller-free operation. While convenient, some users might prefer the control and precision of a traditional controller. Price. The price might be higher compared to other entry-level drones. Overall, the DJI Neo 3 is a fantastic drone that offers a lot of value for the price. Its compact size, impressive features, and ease of use make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced pilots. If you're looking to elevate your aerial photography game, I highly recommend checking out the DJI Neo 3. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech content. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to purchase the DJI Neo 3. Thanks for watching.